Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make prawn ravioli stuffed with mushroom. To make this recipe for 4 people, you'll need 1 box of Vannamei prawns, 800 grams Grand Krust, 200 grams of various mushrooms, salt, white pepper, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and fresh chives. Start by peeling the prawns and removing the intestines. Next, season and sauté the heads in olive oil. When they're done, put them in a colander and press them to get the juice. Set them aside. Next, chop the mushrooms and sauté them in olive oil. Season to taste and set aside. This finely chopped mixture of mushrooms, when used as a filling or for sauces, is called duxelles. When the mixture is ready, put 6 prawns between 2 kitchen towels and flatten them. Put some of the duxelles on one side and fold to close the ravioli. At this point, mix the 4 parts of the juice from the shrimp heads with 4 parts of olive oil and 1 part balsamic vinegar. You're almost done. Once you've plated the ravioli, add some salt and pepper, dress it with the vinaigrette, sprinkle some freshly chopped chives, and it's ready to serve. Bon appetit!